So this is test 1 for the solenoids for the pinball machine. And so a solenoid, essentially what it is, it's like a big electromagnet, just lots of loops of copper wire. And what that does is it sucks an iron bit inward so that you can have stuff like pop bumpers go off, you know. And so this is the Arduino that controls it with a relay. And I have a button for now that controls it, but eventually it'll be from the leaf switch on here.
And why the relay?
The relay is like another electromagnet, actually, controlled by the computer. So the solenoids run on way too much power for the Arduino. If they ran on the same amount of power for the Arduino would like catch fire or something. So the relay is basically a switch where the Arduino just sets down the wire and like backs away, so it doesn't need to interfere with any of the current that's too much for it from the wall. And from the wall we're getting 24 volts 2 amps running to here through the relay, and then this push button controls the relay and the Arduino.
Do you want to show the 24 volts that are coming off of just the wall?
Yeah, so from here, if you take a look at the voltmeter, you get, this is negative over here and this is positive, and then there's the, okay, so it's 23, but I'm sure if we just do that, it'll be close to 24. Yeah, like 23.8, so pretty much 24 volts. And so then when it goes through, if you look at here, if I just put this in there and there, and then flick the button, you can see there's not nearly as much power running through, but it's there. If you hold up a magnet next to it, when you do that, you can feel it pulling. So,
Like this.
so the reason
Because
that...
this solenoid is an electromagnet. It's a big electromagnet.
Yeah. So the
Solenoid.
reason that there's a whole lot less power going through there is because there's so many loops of copper wire. It's basically acting like a huge resistor, and it's taking the power of the 24 volts all the way down to, I think, like 5 or something, which is a little bit weak for this. And so, and I think these run on like 70 volts anyway, so I need to order that online. But yeah, that's test 1. It's kind of promising. So, yeah.